Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your trusted space for powerful, everyday smart tech that brings security, control, and peace of mind right to your fingertips. Today, we're diving into the Ring Alarm 8-piece kit with Outdoor Cam Plus, plug-in, and Battery Doorbell, an all-in-one home protection system designed to give you total coverage, day or night. What makes this bundle special is its complete integration. You're not just getting an alarm, you're getting a full smart security ecosystem. The 8-piece Ring Alarm kit includes a base station, keypad, range extender, motion detector, and contact sensors, everything you need to monitor doors, windows, and rooms with instant alerts through the Ring app. Setup is super simple, no professional installation required. The Ring Outdoor Cam Plus plug-in adds crystal clear 1080p HD video, color night vision, and two-way talk, so you can see, hear, and speak to anyone outside your home in real time. Whether it's a delivery, a visitor, or unwanted motion, you'll know immediately thanks to customizable motion zones and instant notifications. Next, the Ring Battery Doorbell brings convenience right to your doorstep. It lets you see who's at the door, even if you're miles away. With advanced motion detection, live view, and two-way audio, it's like having a personal doorman that never sleeps. The battery-powered design means no wiring hassle, just charge and mount. Together, these devices create a unified defense system powered by the Ring app. You can arm or disarm your home, view live feeds, and even integrate with Alexa for voice-activated control. Plus, with optional Ring Protect subscription, you can store footage, review events, and keep video history, ideal for busy homeowners or travelers. Sleek design, reliable alerts, easy setup, and real-time monitoring, the Ring Alarm 8-piece kit with Outdoor Cam Plus and Battery Doorbell is your ultimate starter bundle for securing every corner of your home. Buy it now on Amazon and take control of your home security today. Don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned to Gadgetverse for more daily tech that matters.